Well, here's how to get different shapes of Nigerian meat pie. Mix the dough and make the filling following the recipe in my Nigerian meat pie video. The link to that video shall pop up on the screen now. Beat an egg and set aside. I'll be using these shapes for the demonstration. The disc shape, the star for Christmas, the flower shape, and the heart shape for when you want to celebrate love. Roll out the dough and make slight impressions with the cutters. These are just outlines of the respective shapes. They will serve as a guide or boundary for the meat pie filling. Rub the egg in the areas around the outlines. The filling should not pass the outline. On another flat surface, roll out the dough for the top crust. Then drape it over the other one. And cut using the cookie cutters. Seal with a fork as usual. And repeat the process till done. Glaze with the egg. And bake in a preheated oven till golden. That's it. Bye-bye.